All right, guys. All right. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's such an amazing moment together again as we look into the market outlook for this week. Before then, should we just do a recap of last week, what we saw last week, and then what we projected last week, how it played out accordingly, as you all know, how it played out accordingly to our bias as usual. So should we do that today? We should consider. Okay, let's quickly do a quick one on that, as you all know, so that you'll be able to know that why should you listen to me? Of course, you know that this is market outlook for the week, which is an expo for you to have into the week. We do this weekly. If you are just joining us, I want to say a big welcome to you. If you're watching this video later on, I want to congratulate you because you will definitely be using some of these strategies to make money for yourself. Because many of our students has used this market outlook skyrocket their trading journey for so much, not want, not nothing, not for. Okay, so we used to come to the market and look into the outputs more like an expo, what we are looking at for the week. So you can also copy our trading and of course go there and make money. Over the week now, almost all of our trades goes in our perfect direction. If I'm not mistaken, everything, almost everything. Let me just go to last week and let's show you. Last week I think I showed us four pairs that I was looking at for last week. And then I told us that I was going to be playing out and it played out accordingly. Unfortunately, I didn't pick some pairs because it didn't come to my suitable preferred entry where I would have loved to enter. Someone that didn't come to that my entry. Let me quickly do a recap on that. Let's see. Let's go through it. Let me show you. I think I intend to go through. I need to take what we call GDP last week. Last week was what? Last week was Sunday 29th, right? Okay, let's go. Last week was Sunday 29th, right? Last week was Sunday. Last week on Sunday. Yeah, I tend to that's yeah. This market. I think yeah. Okay. I think let me go. I tend to take this one. Yeah, this one. Let me show. Yeah, this one very clear. USD card. I said that those who are just. But I think market was around this point. Yeah, market was around. Okay, sorry, market was around here. Is it here? Yeah, this is 29. Yes, market was around here. Market was around here. I said I'll be willing to sell because it's a trading market. If it comes back to this point, I'll be willing to sell. Unfortunately, market never came back to that point, so I didn't take this market. I didn't take it. That's why sometimes you don't force the market, you don't pursue, you don't chase the market. You just wait for your entry. If it comes there, it means what such market is more. The more the market respects your bias, the more it respects your speculations, the more you should be willing to take that to because that means what that market will definitely what goes well. Am I talking? Let me say that again. The more market obeys your projection, the more markets obeys how you want it to obey, and it keeps going in that direction, the more you should be willing to take that market, that trade, because it's going to be a good trade. So if market has played out, come here and give me a confirmation entering signal candle from around this point, I was willing to sell and to give me about 1 to 5 minutes reward ratio, which is a very good one for the week. But unfortunately, the market didn't come there, so I didn't pick it. So I was also looking for card. I can remember. Let me show you. I was looking for card as well. Let me show you. Let me show you. I later picked card, but in another direction. Let me show you. Market was here. That was last week. Market was here. Market was here last week. This was market was here. Market was here. This is 29 Sunday. I said I was willing to sell at this point. My this was here. The market will come back to come and give me a retest around this point. Around this point here. This is where I was willing to sell. The market pushed up. Before it, that thank God he never took me away my LCL. Then came back to come and give about 1 to 6 reward or 7. But I opted out around someone around here. I opted out someone around here because I thought I could expect this our trend line here and then probably be able to give a massive pullback, then I can enter again. But unfortunately, at that moment, I was already sleeping. I should have catch this the text over here and go again. I was already sleeping. I think that was Tokyo section. I was already sleeping. I made about 1 to 2 ish word on this market because I sold CADJPY, likewise USDJPY as well. and I was able to make about 1 to 2, 1 to 3, I remember 1 to 3 on USD, while 1 to 2 on CAD. So that was the only market I took out of those four markets that I showed us last week. I think I also showed us which one again. Let me see. I don't think I took them. Probably I didn't come to my entry point. Let me show. Let's see. Probably I didn't come to my entry point or so. I can't even remember again. I can't recall. I can't even recall the one I also analyzed for last week. I can't recall. So probably I didn't come to my entry. Okay, I think yes, I can't recall anyway. So I probably didn't come to my entry. I don't know, but I didn't take that. I didn't end up taking that. So I also took this baby here for last week, and I also took some other trades like that. This is it. I took this baby here for that last week Monday, and it gave us about one to about 1 to 6. But I after that 1 year because it took away this one. After that 1 year, after that year, I never knew market we tested. Well, I was already sleeping. If I knew, well, because this is what a strong zone again to enter the game. I would have entered my stop loss here, then sold again. But that time I was sleeping already. It was around Tokyo session, so I couldn't pick that. And market keep going later on the night, and I waited for it to come and sell again. So that was how the week went. It was a profitable week for work. Of course, you all know as usual. I want to say this once again. If you are not on our community, the family that we built, we have on Telegram. Everybody is always there to pick up signals, free signals. Last week we rolled out about 21, 24 signals. We lost 3 signals and we won 21 good trades. That was a crazy one. That was a crazy one. That was about 90 to 95%. That's crazy, guys. So if you're not on our community, I want to urge you look at the bio, look at it to my bio now, or look at the description of this video and join our community so you can always pick up signals, free signals for you to trade and make a lot of money with us. Am I talking to someone? So it's free, guys. It's free. And also, if you're not joining us for the very first time, we want to urge you, please and please subscribe. Why not? You have to subscribe to the channel. Why? What's happening to you? What's going on? Please, I want to urge you. Subscribe now, or else I will take your Excel. I will enter into your MT5 and MT4. By Monday morning, I will enter it and take away your Excel so that market can blow away your account. Anyway, that's a joke anyway. So let's go into today's and let's see what we're looking at for this week. Firstly, I'll be looking at JPY, GBPJPY. GBPJPY, looking at GBPJPY for the week. I want to buy this market. I already bought it somewhere around here. It gave us about 30 something pips, 35 pips. Yeah, I took my profit. I took my profit somewhere around here because I knew market is coming back. Let me show you. I took my profit somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. I took my profit because I knew market with this structure I'm seeing. It's not a structure that shows the market is still ready to be going up. It has to come back again. It has to be tested, probably around this our entry again. And I won't want that. So I took my entry. I took a partial entry. I took a partial profit. I'm waiting for it to come in again to my entry so I can enter again. So this market is a good buy or buy market. See, I'm missing just about I'm missing just about 21 pips to catch about 1 to 6 reward. This is a crazy setup. Please don't miss this trade. Please, guys, watch out for this trade. GDP, JPY, watch out for this trade, guys. So market we tested and late our closure to the market. I was already expecting it to retest. Can you see this engulfing? So if you keep doing it, if you keep coming back. So with this pin bar, I'm expecting the gap of this market to open and a gap, bam, and come to somewhere around here. The gap should come to somewhere around here, then came back again to our entry. Then I'll enter, bam. Then I'll hit it and I'll put my stop loss back here. About 18 pips or 17. I'll be seeing about 18 or 17 pips, and I will shoot and catch 1 to 6 or 1 to 5. That's a crazy signal, guys. Don't miss this setup. Don't miss setup. It's a crazy one, guys. I'll be expecting to catch this. I already make it on a buy, and I'll be waiting to make it buy again. Buy will be logging it so strongly, guys. So I want to urge you, please and please, do not miss this setup. It's a crazy. I'll first be hoping to catch my profit here first. My first profit will be around here. That's 1 to 3, 1 to 4. And if I see the market takes away this high, I'm not expecting the market to take away this high because this is a strong zone. Let's go back and see. Market might not take away that high. Let's see. Can you see? We tested. Can you see? I said resistance. Can you see? Strong resistance, strong resistance. So I won't be willing to what? I'm willing to take my whole profit around here. And I'm willing to sell back. So that you see now. So I'm willing to just 1 to 4. That's where that'll be my take profit sign. That is first. And secondly, I'm looking at JPY. I'm looking at JPY as well. I'm looking at USD card as well. USD card when market comes back, just like the one I was expecting at this point. I'm expecting that right now market has already shown a strong rejection. Can you see now? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. lower low, lower high. Then engulfed. I love this so much. Engulfed. After the engulfed, he failed to do a lower low, and he did a lower low, a lower low. Then he failed to do a lower low, a higher low. If you do a lower low, then it goes here to come and equal what our lower high here. I'm expecting the market to come back to this point. Let me do it for you guys. But for me, I'm giving you guys to trade it. I won't be trading it with you guys. For me, you can go ahead and trade this, guys. One market comes back to this point to do head and shoulder. This is head, this is shoulder and shoulder. You can buy. Then market will buy. You do long to this point. Probably long stopped here or stopped here. But I'm willing to, once it stopped here, I'm more confident to take it than this way because market might still go back. Because this place is where my trend line is, and I'm expecting much of touching here. So if it comes back to this touching here, I'll be willing to sell. I'll be joining you guys for the sell. For me, I'll be drinking my chilling my energy while I wait for you guys to buy the counter trend market. It's a good one actually. Let me show you. It's a good one actually, but I won't be buying it actually. Can you see? Can you see, guys? Can you see? It's a good one. So if market comes back to this point, you can put your stop loss below here. Then that'll be about. Let me see. Let me show you guys. That'll be about. Let me show you guys. That'll be about. That'll be about. Let me show you guys. That'll be about how many pips? It's just a very good market. Very good one. That'll be about 28. Market comes here, then you can catch one to what? One to four. That's crazy. Guys, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. I love this. I love this. This is crazy. But unfortunately, I won't be taking this part. I won't be following back to take this kind of trend. Except I'm super, super convinced. But I will not well naturally I won't be ready to take this market. I'm going to take this market. On my big account, I'm going to take this market. So even though I want to take it, but it's a short, good trade actually. Counter trend is very, very clean. I love it. It's very, very clean because of what he did. And very, very clean. I love it so much. If it comes back here, I might or not, but I'll be so confident in coming back to come and pick it up here when market will be what willing to come and give me what at this point, come back to this point, then I will sell. Confidently, I will sell and I'll be glad to sell and then this and then move 1 to 3. That's it, guys. This one will give us 1 to 4. We come back to this point, 1 to 4. So that's the second pair I'm looking at for the week. Also, let's go to the next one. Follow me, guys. GDP AUD as well. I'm looking at a good sell as well on this pair. I'm looking at a good sell on this pair as well. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. These are trades you should not miss. Please and please, guys, do not miss this trade. These are crazy, massive trades. You know I used to do them now. You know I used to do them. Last week was crazy. Upper one was crazy. Go and check some of our past market outlook, how to make 500k, $500, $100 for the week. Go and check our past videos and you can see how correlating it has always been, how crazy it has always been. Can you see now? Market has been what? Take away this fixing and give a massive mongoose sell. Then came back to come up with test under it. Once market keep expecting this under, I'll be willing to sell. When market breaks here, I'll still be willing to sell around this point. But I expect market to stop around here because of what? Market's already doing what? A conventional move. Do not forget, I tell you guys, after an impulse move, how to want to do what? A correction. Now it's about to correct itself now. I'll wait for the correction patiently until I see what you call entering signal confirmation. I tell you guys, do not enter market until there's what entry signal confirmation. There's what we call entry signal confirmation that we give to our students. It's about 18 to 20 candlestick confirmation. Once those candles speaks to us, I interpret it and I enter the market. Am I talking to someone? So the market will tell me, Mr. Sam, I'm ready to what? I'm ready to short. I'm ready to long. Once it tells me that, I know what to do. Then I come in. So you just come because you are seeing a double top. You just come because you are seeing a market is already about to go or it's at your zone. No, you will get it wrong. Market can come to your zone or your area of interest, area of concentration, area of attention, to your supply zone, to your demand. You can come there and still not do your bidding. Am I talking to someone? You can come there and still not do your bidding. Market is crazy. Or you can even come there and just spike you out. Am I talking to someone? Market is crazy. So it must give you confirmation. Once it confirms for you, so that is why we offer what is called entry signal. We have a template for it. We have a document for it. If you are willing to have this, you can type it on the comments. Let me know you need this. For as many comments I can see that I will ask our team to send it to your email. They will chat you up so they can send that to your email. If you know you need what entry signal confirmation candlestick, comment below this video right now for it. Let me know you need it so we can hand it over to you. I'm talking to somebody. So that's for that on this. So I was waiting for that Once you confirm that, before I can enter this market, I have to confirm it for me. Let me show you very well. Once market confirm the confirmation, confirm everything right, then we enter this market as a sell. Good. And then the last one, just quality for. You don't do much. Just look for quality. Just for quality crazy markets, right? Can you see? Let me see this screen. I was presenting this market to sell. I saw this selling from here, but I never wanted to enter because of what? If I enter it to be too risky for me. Let me show you why it is too risky. Let me show you why it is too risky. This is the best place when we are under this our cycle level below cycle, we sell more, we sell more. When we are still above our cycle level, there's still a buy there. We shall still do more of buys, we still do more of long. So I'll be more confident to enter it once we go below this our trend, our cycle level. That is why I've been waiting for this sell. I'm waiting for this. I've been saying it since last week. I've been selling, but I was not much confident enough because it's too risky for me to. I can actually have sold it since last week, but it wasn't much more confident for me. If I've done that, I'll be risking taking it. It will be a high risk trade for me. I want a quality setup and high probability trade I can take that will make me money. I'm not in the market to take high risk trade. That one is for amateurs or beginners. If you get to a stage you just want to take high probability setup that will make you money, and you are so confident that this trade will make you money. So that is exactly what I'm looking for in this market. I'm not looking for any quantity trade. I just want to catch up a high quality trade and high probability trade that can make you money. Am I talking to somebody? So this is exactly what I'm looking out for. This market should be doing that. It has done one first bounce, second bounce, third bounce. The third bounce should be a retest, then we can enter. Instead of I'm entering around here, I wait for it to break this test circle, to break this what? Anyone the market does to break this our cycle level and we test under it here, and we are willing to enter somewhere around here. I will to when you break somewhere around here. I will to then put my stop loss somewhere around here or somewhere around, depending on it, somewhere around here or here. Then I'm willing to make about 1 to 5. I'm willing to mix about what? I'm willing to make about 1 to 5. I'm willing to mix about what? Can you see? 1 to 4. That's it. This is also a good trade. Mwah! I love this trade too because it has a very good R. It has a very good R ratio. So guys, don't miss out, guys. Are the outlook, market outlook for this week, and I'm personally be looking out for. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, do not forget to comment your question or any concern. Let me also know what you are, what take on this, and what you also looking out for in the market. You can comment your peer. I will go check it out. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to have a lovely weekend. Prepare for the market tomorrow and have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much, and God bless everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on our community so you can always enjoy our goodies. Thank you. Bye for now, guys.